We're going to be unboxing the EverCross. I think it's the HB24 electric scooter. So I took the tape off up here already. And it was in a big box too. I took it out of the big box, which was over there. So it's in here. But I had to bring it down here to the shop to get it to do this. I didn't have no room in my kitchen. I got something going on in there. So yeah, this is where we ramp up the danger. Okay, we're gonna start getting a little bit faster. Let's just crack this open real quick. Yes, that looks good. There's a toolkit. We'll open that in a minute. Here is going to be the charger. Man, look at that. Looks great. Get that off of there. There's that wheel. It's called Old Geezerness. I will say they packed it pretty good. Here's the seat. Now, I don't really care about the seat. I'm going to use it to make a video to see how it works. But I'm really not that interested in using the seat. It's got fold down handlebars too, I noticed. So you turn that flip that little latch right there, down on the bottom. You hear that click in? That's your lock. It's right there. Right there. That thing is pretty sturdy too. It ain't like some of these other ones. Here's the seat post. How this comes up. And there's going to be some type of mechanism here that goes in here and locks that. But to be honest, right to start off, I'm going to be removing this. There's a couple of Allen bolts here. And I'm going to be removing this for the first few rides. And then of course I'll make a video with it on there just to see how it acts, you know. I do like these handlebars here, how they fold down. That is really nice. You know, it's just like all these other things that I've gotten that I've put together. They put together very easily. This is not real hard stuff here. You see that? See how that just snaps together? Boy, this really's got a wide bar here. Wow. That's real wide. That's real nice. I believe is the headlight. Because there's a hole there in the frame. Probably to run some kind of screw in there. I would imagine. We'll see in a minute. Now, I'm interested in this setup here. How it folds down the handlebars. Okay, so all you do is there's a sliding lock here. So you slide the lock and bend it over like that. For both sides. You just slide it and bend it down. And then raise it back up like that. There's the keyhole. And that's going to lock in there somehow too. I'm just not sure. Here's the key. Here's the power. Let me raise these handlebars up to get it to where I want it. Now, the reason they have the handlebars to where you can raise them up and down like that is so you can use the seat. Okay? So if you want to sit down on it, you can lower the handlebars and sit down. So I am very confused. Oh, there it is. There's the Allen thing in the back to tighten up the dashboard. I'm going to dump out the toolkit. And they give you a 17, 18, 21, 19 10 and 13 millimeter wrenches. And then an assortment of Allen keys. Okay, so that's tight. Man, do I like that. That is slick. So this is not a kick scooter to get going. You can just hit it to take off. You know what I mean? So I'm going to pull the camera down here and show you some of this stuff a little bit closer. Oh, it's super nice, guys. It's really nice. Really nice. Let me cut the video and find that screw. There it is right there. Here's the screw for the headlight. It was in the toolkit. All right, guys, let me give you a little close-up look on this thing. Here is the dashboard. And I will tell you, I really love the really wide bars on this thing. They're really nice. Really nice. Okay, here's how you turn it on with the key. Right there. Put the power and then you press the little button right here. Then that comes on. Now that is set at kilometers per hour. I'm going to have to try to figure out how to change that over. Then there's gear 1. There's gear 2. And there's gear 3. Now, let's see if I can double click. It gives you the time it's been turned on. Trip. Kilometers an hour, odometer. I don't know. E. Okay, so we're just gonna have to leave it like that for a minute until I figure it out. Here is the headlight switch right there. That one right there, on and off. I got that going right down there. See that? So there's that, and it has something I haven't seen yet on scooters for me is turn signals with a warning, which might have been what that other warning was. Maybe the turn signal was turned on. So there's the left one, and then there's the right one. And then there's the horn right there. That's the horn right there. And just like I told you about a minute ago, you don't need to kick this to go. You just hit the gas and it goes. So no kicking required. So if you come down here, you're going to see these really nice brakes right here. These really nice disc brakes. And it's got tubeless tires. Okay, and it looks like really nice aluminum ribs. Real nice discs on the brakes and shocks. And in the back, it's got those big giant shocks right here. It's got one on each end, one on each side. Then there's the rear disc. And then it's got the 800 watt motor in the back, which would be right in there, is your 800 watt hub motor. So yeah. Oh yeah, it's really nice. And then here's that little lock for the folding bar right here. You would just pull this out like that and then push that in and that thing will collapse down. Push that in and it'll collapse down. Then, you know, this is a safety lock, just so, you know, the vibration doesn't cut it out. So, but I am going to remove this for just to start. I'm not going to use that right off the bat. So we're going to get rid of the seat. Then I'll make a, you know, a few rides with it, make a few videos, and then I'll come back and make a video with the seat on to see how that is. There's a nice sandpaper here on the deck. The deck's nice and wide, just like the other one that I like. Yeah, the Hover 1 has that nice wide deck. And then this has the nice deck too. So, and here's the battery port right here. I can see it. Oh yeah, it's just one of them little slide open ones right there. Right there. It's got the 3 pins on there. Yeah. I'm liking that, man. Really nice. Really, really nice. All right, guys, there you go. The unbox and all the mumbo jumbo. Okay, guys, have a nice day. I'll talk to you later.